Welcome to my official YouTube channel. Today's session is going to be powerful because I'm going to share with you a comprehensive blueprint for structuring, organizing, and writing a high-impact research paper, one that's designed to achieve maximum academic recognition, influence, and credibility. And here's the best part. In this video, I'll also reveal the ideal number of words you should include in each section of your paper so that your work stays balanced, professional, and truly impactful. Let's begin with the abstract, around 200 to 350 words. This is where you present the central problem, what your study addresses, and why it matters. Then, give a brief overview of your approach and key methods. Highlight the main results and what they mean. Finally, close with a bold statement answering the question, so what? Summing up the bigger picture and the potential impact of your study. Now, the introduction, roughly 800 to 1,200 words. Start with a hook, maybe a striking fact, an unresolved problem, or a thought-provoking question. Then, briefly explain the current state of knowledge. Identify the gap, what's missing, and why it's important to address. Finally, state your objective and hypothesis, showing their direct relevance to the field. Next, literature integration, about 1,200 to 1,800 words. Here, you outline the conceptual framework, the theories or models guiding your research, compare your work with earlier studies, and highlight areas that have been overlooked. End by stressing the importance of filling this gap and exactly who will benefit from the knowledge you're adding. On to the methods, 1,000 to 1,500 words. Explain your study design and why it's the best fit for your research question. Describe your population or sample, including criteria and reasoning. Share the tools, instruments, or protocols you used. Then walk through your data analysis plan, including the tests, software, or assumptions that shaped your approach. Then we have the results, 800 to 1,500 words. Lead your audience through the findings in a logical flow, from descriptive data to your key outcomes. Use figures, tables, or charts to make complex information simple. Include essential metrics like effect sizes, rates, and p-values. Keep the focus on what your results reveal about your research goals. Now, the discussion, 1,000 to 2,000 words. Go beyond the data. Explain what the findings mean for theory, policy, or practice. Compare them to past research. Where do they match and where do they differ? Be open about your study's strengths and limitations. Finally, zoom out to the big picture. How should these results change the way we think about the topic? Finally, the conclusion, 300 to 600 words. Summarize your main findings in 1 or 2 memorable sentences. Emphasize the real-world impact of your work and suggest the next steps for researchers, practitioners, or policymakers. End with a clear call to action, leaving your audience inspired to take the conversation forward. And there you have it, your complete guide to writing a high-impact research paper. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video so we can keep producing content that empowers your academic journey.